Hello, welcome. If you're still stuck about transferring a picture using transfer paper or tracing paper as we know it here in England, stick around. I'll give you a reminder of exactly how to do it. So first of all, I've actually painted this picture and I'll leave you the link in the description box. But I'm just going over it because I'm giving you a free little bird outline, and all I've done is clipped the tracing paper onto my sketchbook and I'm just going over the picture like so. I'm using a soft pencil, and the reason for this is it will make the lines easier to show up on the paper when you transfer it over. I'll show you that in a second, but first of all, let's just go over the lines. You can be as detailed as you want to be or not as detailed as you want to be, but you've got the option there for you. I'm going to speed it up for you, make this bit a bit quicker for you. So like I said earlier, I will leave you a link in the description box just to show you how I painted this. It was the first time I've painted a bird with watercolour. So if you need some help to do that, then by all means follow along with that particular video. I'm just finalising this with the branches and the leaves, and then I'll show you how to transfer onto paper. So here we are with the tracing paper. Turn your tracing paper over onto the paper you want the image to go on. So the reason why I wanted to show you this is because the bird is going to be the opposite direction. You can still use this fact, just use the same pencil and go over the outline of the bird that you have just copied. And I'll show you what I mean by the bird is transferred on the opposite side. This is what is so good about tracing paper. I'll speed it up for you. So when you have done that, take the clip off again, and now take your tracing paper off, and then you've got your bird there. But if you turn the tracing paper back over and then do the same thing, then the bird will be facing the right way. I hope that makes sense. But now you've got two birds, one facing in one direction and the other bird in the other direction. That's what I mean by you can use both. I'll make it easier for you to see. I'm going to go over it using a micron pen. These are waterproof, so when you transfer onto your watercolour paper, you can either use a micron pen or you can use a pencil. I've just done this so that you can see it a bit more clearly. I will speed it up again because you get the idea. And then do the same with the other bird. And there you have it. And then one last thing to do is to get some putty rubber or a normal rubber. Putty rubber is good because you can just use it like this and sort of dab it on to remove any pencil markings. And that's it. That is your two pictures done. When you've taken the pencil lines away, then you've got your two pictures like this. And this is the final picture. I ended up doing a third one. Take care. Bye.